Sometimes you might have a long report and you need to extract the key points from there to create a new document, just to summarise it. You can do that using the highlighter button. That's on the left-hand side. You've got a choice of 4 colours and 4 styles of highlighting. So you've got underline, dashed box, dotted box and solid box, or yellow, blue, green and red. So you just select the text and click on the colour that you want that to be. You can also listen to it. If you look, it's got an option of listening to it before you highlight it in a particular colour as well. So you can work your way through the document just selecting the bits that you want to include in a separate summary. So go to different pages, select different parts of the document. There we are, I've selected a few now. And when you're ready to extract that information, click on the lines, collect highlights. Now you've got an option, you don't have to collect all the colours, and you can choose the order that the highlights are collected. So by position or by colour, they can be grouped together if you want to, all kept in the same order that they are. Collect and download. It's now created a new tab on the top, a new document. You can edit this document, so if you don't want parts of it, you can delete them. You can, of course, listen to this text read to you and add to it. You can add your typing to this document as well. So that's how you extract information from one document and put it into a new document to summarise. You can save this now. It's called untitled text. You can change that by clicking on the little arrow next to save, and then you can save it as a PDF or a Word document if you prefer, rather than TextAid, or keep it as TextAid, your choice. So that's how you summarise a document using TextAid.